Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to upload your first gig on Fiverr and start making money online. Let's get started. First, log into your Fiverr account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Gigs from the drop-down menu. Now click on Create a new gig. Here, you'll enter your gig's title. Make it clear and searchable, like I will design a modern business logo, or I will write SEO blog posts. Choose a category and subcategory. Add relevant tags so buyers can find your gig. Next, set up your pricing. Fiverr allows you to create up to 3 packages: basic, standard, and premium. Define what you'll deliver in each package. Set a delivery time. Add extras if you want to charge for faster delivery or additional work. Write a clear, professional description of your gig. Explain what you're offering, why buyers should choose you, and what they can expect. Also, add FAQs to answer common questions and save time. Here, you'll ask buyers for the information you need before starting work. For example, if you're designing a logo, you can ask for their company name, brand colors, or examples of logos they like. Now upload images, videos, or PDFs that showcase your work. High-quality visuals are super important. They attract buyers and increase trust. If possible, add a short video introducing your service. Finally, click Publish Gig. Congratulations! Your gig is now live on Fiverr, and buyers can find and order your services. And that's how you upload a gig on Fiverr. Take your time to optimize your title, description, and visuals. That's what makes your gig stand out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Good luck with your freelancing journey.